evening, everyone. Welcome to IP Mat by LPT, a channel which is devoted to the preparation of IPM exams. On this channel itself, we started a vocab booster series last week. Every day at 5 p.m., I bring you new words from book Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. The book which is based on etymology technique for vocabulary building. With roots, we have learned a lot of words with some pictures, with some references, with some celebrities association, and with some characters of various movies. We have tried to associate these words with those characters so that we remember these words. You can start watching this entire series from day one, from the first session, so that you can maximize the benefit. Because every session is followed by exercise, and every session is followed by revision exercise as well, so that you revise the words, you remember the words, you retain the meaning, and eventually you can figure out the meaning when they come in your exam. Okay, so that's the whole purpose of the series. I hope it is helping you and you are enjoying this whole series of building vocabulary. As you know, in your exam, a lot of questions will be based solely on vocabulary. So to do well in that particular section, you need to do well in vocabulary, and this is what we are here for, right? चलिए, so आज का session start करते हैं. Yesterday we did the revision of all the words, and today is going to be the new chapter, right? So with new chapter, we are going to have around 5 words today. With those 5 words, we will also try to acquire more words with root. The roots on the basis of which these words are based. If we know the root, we know the entire family, and when we know the meaning of the root, we can figure out the meaning of all the words which come from that root. ठीक है? So ये बहुत effective strategy है. I hope you have begun to realize it, that root से vocabulary building करना कितना easy होता है और कितना effective होता है, because you know the basis, right? On the basis of which the words are built up. ठीक है? चलिए, let's start with today's session. All right. So the first word here is convivial. You can see the picture of Ranveer Singh here, a very friendly person who is happy-go-lucky, who is very outgoing, and a person who is very extrovert, who doesn't have any hitch in talking to people, striking a conversation with a stranger, and who is very lively, animated, cheerful. Okay? So this is how you will define convivial. I have taken the picture of him from his very first movie, Band Baja Barat, in which he played the character of a convivial man, Delhi boy, who would, do event organization. He would start his business with Anushka Sharma, and he would then, succeed in doing it. Convivial personality or convivial person is someone who is happy-go-lucky, exactly the way he has been shown in that movie, right? So convivial is a root. Convivial is a word, and the root is VIV. Okay, let's try to figure out more words with this root. So VIV here is the root word in this word. Okay, so convivial and VIV both come for lively personality. जिसके होने से, जिसके आने से, everyone is light up. Everything is light up, right? And जो बाकी लोगों को भी enthuse करता है, जो बाकी लोगों को भी energy enthuse करता है. So that is what is convivial. So VIV यहाँ पे root word है. You might have heard about this word vivacious. So vivacious is also a person who is full of life. कुछ लोग बड़े उनकी एनर्जी जो है बड़ी लो होती है, कुछ लोगों की एनर्जी बहुत हाई स्पिरिटेड होती है और बहुत ही इन्फेक्शियस होती है उनकी एनर्जी, जिनके होने से आपको भी ऐसा लगता है कि नाउ यू शुड डू समथिंग. वाइवेशियस, राइट? वाइवेशियस पर्सनालिटी और वाइवेशियस स्माइल, वाइवेशियस कैरेक्टर. सो फुल ऑफ लाइफ, फुल ऑफ एनर्जी, अ पर्सन जो बाकी लोगों को भी एनर्जाइज कर देता है. सो VIV हियर एक्चुअली कम्स फॉर एनर्जी, इट कम्स फॉर लाइफ. अक्सर आपने देखा होगा कि जो टीवी बनाती हैं और टीवी के जो एडवर्टीजमेंट आते हैं, वो बोलते हैं हमारी पिक्चर बहुत विविड है, राइट? हमारा जो स्क्रीन है वो बहुत विविड है. सो विविड इज ऑल्सो समथिंग विच इज लाइवली, समथिंग लाइफ लाइक. If I say I have vivid memory of my childhood, that means I still clearly remember what happened in my childhood, how my childhood was. ठीक है? I have vivid recollection of my childhood. right? So vivid is very clear, lifelike, something as it's happening before you, right? So vivid. Another word with this root is bon vivant. Bon is happy, bon voyage हम लोगों ने किया था, and when you ask somebody to have good meal, so that is bon appetit, right? So bon is happy. So when you have this word with bon vivant is basically a person who loves luxurious life, who lives luxurious life, who eats good food, who travels a lot, who enjoys doing good thing, maybe drink, wine or something. So somebody who indulges in the opulence of life. That is what is bon vivant. Okay? So VIV is a root word which is coming in all these words. Vivacious, vivid, bon vivant and convivial. Okay? So all these words are based on VIV. VIV is root word for life. Okay? Another word that might come in your mind is vitamin, right? So vitamin में exactly VIV नहीं है, लेकिन that is the root VI, that is also for life. So vitamin, vitalize is something which gives you energy, which boosts your energy. ठीक है? एक और word है revive. जब हम किसी को revive करते हैं, so if I say now it's impossible to revive Congress as a party, as a political party, that means you cannot bring back life to Congress. Possibly it's a dead party, and now you cannot have anyone, or you cannot imagine anyone who can revive this age-old party. Okay? So that is what is revive, bring back to life. एक पहले एक starch जैसा कुछ material आता था जो revives, जिसका नाम ही revive था, and when you wash your clothes with revive, they would be as new, as good as new, right? So that is what revive is. Okay? To bring back to life. Okay? So revive, vivacious, vivid, bon vivant, and then convivial. All mean different things, but there is one commonality, that is VIV, that is for life, and you can see the commonality in the meaning as well. All words are related to life. जो full of life है, जो life के सारे luxuries को enjoy करता है, life के सारे opulence, affluence को enjoy करता है. Convivial, full of life. Infectious. Vivid, very clear, as life is. Vivacious, somebody who has a lot of energy, overflowing energy. Bubbly, cheerful is vivacious. Bring back to life. ठीक है? So with Ranveer Singh, we have this word convivial. I hope the meaning is clear, and so is the meaning of other words we learned through this route. ठीक है? चलिए, let's move on to next slide. All right. So I hope all of you have seen this movie, Sher Shah, where Vikram Batra, the man who sacrificed his life in the prime age of around 25, 26 for the love of his country. And the movie was based on his life. Movie was basically based on the Kargil war and how he actually lost his life fighting audaciously with enemy forces, right? So basically, with Vikram Batra's picture and with his spirit, with his what he did for the country, the word that I'm trying to associate is indefatigable. Fatigue is when you feel tired, you feel listless, you feel less of energy. That is fatigue. तो अगर बहुत लंबे समय तक कोई भी क्रिकेट टीम लंबा खेलती है तो फटीग फैक्टर की बात करते हैं हम कि पॉसिबली दे आर नॉट एबल टू परफॉर्म बिकॉज देयर इज अ फटीग फैक्टर. कई बार आपको रीडिंग फटीग हो जाता है, लगातार अगर आप 7-8 पैसेजेस कर रहे हैं एक मॉड्यूल से तो रीडिंग फटीग हो जाता है आपको, सो यू आर टायर्ड, यू आर नॉट एबल टू फोकस, you cannot summon all your energy to understand what's written or what's happening before you, or possibly you're jaded enough so that your body does not respond. ठीक है? So that is fatigue, थकावट, listlessness. Similarly, जब आपके पास ये word है indefatigable, somebody who is tireless, somebody who is relentless, who does not yield, who does not surrender, whose spirit is so indomitable that he will keep on going. overcoming all the adverse circumstances, overcoming all the challenges, overcoming all insurmountable challenges. Okay? So that is what is indefatigable. So what he did in that war for our country was the example of indefatigable spirit, tirelessly fighting and saving the life of his fellow soldiers, and tirelessly he fought for the country in that war, and at such a young age he just sacrificed his life. So indefatigable, you can name anyone who you feel has been tirelessly working for a cause, for a specific cause, or for a specific organization, or maybe for his principle. Okay, indefatigably. So Anna Hazare indefatigably fought for the implementation of Lokpal bill. लगातार सालों साल उन्होंने अनशन किया, बहुत सालों तक उन्होंने उस बिल को पास करवाने के लिए संघर्ष किया, एंड after finally his long standing uh, struggle, it got implemented in India. Okay? So indefatigable spirit of Anna Hazare translated into Lokpal bill implementation in India. ठीक है? So indefatigable, somebody who is tireless, जो आसानी से हार ना माने, जो आसानी से surrender ना करे, somebody who doesn't bow down easily, who keeps on fighting. ठीक है? So first word was convivial, and second is with this ideal man, indefatigable. All right. So you can see Amir Khan posing in movie PK. I hope you remember the movie. I also hope you all remember what he projected in that movie. He came from a different planet. Okay, he was an alien to our country and to this earth, and whatever he would see, experience, and observe, he would find them very difficult to adjust to, right? And he would have very novice approach. He would have very unsophisticated approach to things because he did not have any trickery, he did not have any chicanery in his head, or he did not think about any deception, because he was just as ingenuous as a child is, right? That is what is the meaning of ingenuous. Bhola bhala, somebody who is deprived of any kind of sophistication, जिसको ये नहीं पता है कि कोई फिल्टर होने चाहिए जब आप बात करें, उसको ये नहीं पता है कि आपके अपीयरेंस को सर्टेन वे में आपको प्रेजेंट करना है जब आप किसी से मिलें. ही इज जस्ट एज सिंपल एज ही कैन बी, राइट? Candid, outspoken, not concealing his feeling, not having any hypocrisy when he talks, when he behaves, but rather act as he is. Simple, straightforward, ingenuous. ठीक है? So novice बोल सकते हैं आप, जो नया है, नौसिखिया है, जिसको ये नहीं पता कि बात कैसे करनी है, कैसे लोगों के सामने पेश आना है, किस तरह से अपनी बात को अलग तरीके से कहना है. ठीक है? अ पर्सन हु इज फ्री फ्रॉम एनी काइंड ऑफ डिसिमुलेशन. ठीक है? सो आई होप यू रिमेंबर हाउ ही एक्चुअली एक्ट्स व्हेन ही सीज कि हम मंदिर जाते हैं, और फिर he also finds it very strange that different gods, different people go to different gods, and different worships places are there. So he finds them very something which he has not seen. ठीक है? तो बिल्कुल वो बच्चों की तरह जो आपका वो होता है, क्योंकि आपने कुछ कंडीशनिंग देखी नहीं है, आपका कुछ एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. That's what makes you an ingenuous person. Unsophisticated, natural, simple, free from any trickery. तो भोला भाला किसी भी पर्सन को आप ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. Somebody who is free from any pretense is also ingenuous. ठीक है? Now I'll give you another word. Now this is ingenious. ठीक है? This is ingenuous and this is ingenious. Ingenious is just the opposite, right? Somebody who is very clever, somebody who is very inventive. It's used in a positive way. It's not used for tricking someone or deceiving someone, or kind of fooling someone, but rather it's used for someone who is very inventive, जो नए तरीके से सोचता है, जो नए तरीके से बात करता है, या नए तरीके से चीज़ों को करने की कोशिश करता है. जीनियस, ingenious. ठीक है? तो जीनियस के साथ ही इस वर्ड को आप सीख सकते हैं कि जीनियस इज समवन हु इज ब्रिलियंट, हु हैज शार्पनेस, शार्प इंटेलेक्ट, सेम इज योर ingenious. ठीक है? सो ingenious, जैसे हमारा जो मेट्रो है, ठीक है, that was brought up by E. Sridharan. So metro in India was the result of ingenious mind of E. Sridharan. ठीक है? He was an ingenious man. and who brought it up, who, you know, um, uh, oversaw entire project right from the beginning to the finish, right? So he was the man who was responsible for this entire project, ambitious project, aspirational project of metro happening in India. Ingenious mind. ठीक है? Pranav Mistry, if you have heard, he is the man who holds highest number of patents in India, right? He is also ingenious, an ingenious man. ठीक है? So ingenious, somebody who is very inventive, original, and someone who thinks about novel ways of doing things. ठीक है? So that is ingenious. Ingenious, bhula bhala. Ingenious is very sharp-minded. ठीक है? So these two words from the same root. चलिए. Okay, so Byomkesh Bakshi and Sherlock Holmes, right? So I guess I thought of taking the picture of Byomkesh Bakshi, but then I thought possibly you may not be able to associate with him, but this is something, or this is someone who we all have seen in the series, iconic series Sherlock Holmes, playing the character of Sherlock Holmes. So a person who is as sharp as a razor, right? Extremely perspicacious, right? So the root is, sorry, the word is perspicacious. Razor की तरह जिसका दिमाग बिल्कुल sharp है, वो इतनी keen insight है कि आप अमेज होके देखते रह जाते हैं कि इतनी समझदारी वाली बात वो कैसे कर सकते हैं. Something which confuse all of us, something which we cannot absorb, but this person is full of discernment, keenness, discernment, that he is able to see through things very, very clearly. That is what is perspicacious. This root word actually comes for, this root comes for seeing things clearly as they are. So we possibly are not able to see things clearly as they are, but this perspicacious man will be able to see this. ठीक है? Chanakya from our history book we can think of as a perspicacious man who could think of, who could see things very, very clearly. He was so diligent, he was so intelligent that, you know, he solved the very convoluted political problems of his age. ठीक है? So Chanakya, a perspicacious man. Tenali Rama, अगर आप लोगों ने सुना है तेनाली रामा की कहानियां, so that's also perspicacious. ठीक है? He was also a perspicacious man. ठीक है? So Sherlock Holmes, perspicacious. ठीक है? So perspicuity will be keenness. If I give you perspicuity will be keenness. He possesses perspicuity to understand even the most complex issues in few minutes. Perspicuity. Perspicuous. So perspicuous will also be a person who can see through things very, very clearly. Okay? So, yeah. So these are the words for today. Let's quickly revise. Convivial. Convivial is someone who is very friendly, someone who is outgoing, someone who is very sociable, amiable, friendly, smiling all the time, diffusing all kinds of energy around, right? VIV is for energy, vivid, clear, vivacious, again, full of energy, overflowing energy, revived to bring back to life, and bon vivant, somebody who loves high living, luxurious living. Okay, indefatigable, somebody who is tireless, बिना थके, बिना हारे, बिना सरेंडर किए, जो लगातार एक काम को करते जाए, that is indefatigable. Ingenuous, भोला भाला, बिल्कुल बच्चों की तरह, जिसमें कोई concealment नहीं है, कोई deception नहीं है, कोई trickery नहीं है, that is what is ingenuous. Perspicacious, somebody who is extremely keen and discerning, right? Somebody who जो बहुत इंटेलेक्चुअल है और जिसको ईजीली चीज़ें समझ में आ जाती है और जिसकी बात बहुत ही जो हर बात को बहुत ईजीली समझ लेता है. सो दैट इज हाई एडवांस इंटेलेक्चुअल हु इज एज शार्प एज अ रेजर. ठीक है? सो दैट्स पॉसिबली अ फ्रेज विच डिफाइंस परफेक्टली what a perspicacious man is. Perspicuous is also same thing. Okay? So keep revising these words. We'll meet tomorrow again with the revision of these words. We will also do another set of words, and then we will do an exercise which will be based on all these 10 words on different personalities. Okay? I hope you will be able to benefit out of today's session and keep learning words along with me. Thank you very much for being so receptive. My name is Neelam, and I'm going to be your trainer for vocab in this entire vocab booster session. Keep watching this channel and this space for more such content, which is going to be immensely helpful for your exam preparation. Thank you.